What if I told you that you might break the law almost every day without even realizing it? Let's uncover 12 surprisingly common habits that could actually be illegal in some places. First is jaywalking. In many cities, crossing outside a crosswalk or against the signal can lead to a fine, even if no cars are coming. Downloading copyrighted movies, music, or software without permission may seem harmless, but in many countries it's illegal. Ignoring no photography signs can break the rules and sometimes even local laws, especially inside museums or private buildings. Littering isn't just rude. In many places it comes with expensive fines, even for something as small as a candy wrapper. Using company equipment for activities that violate workplace policies or laws can create legal problems, depending on where you live and work. Some places legally require bicycle helmets, especially for children or even adults. Forgetting one could mean a ticket. Many cities have leash laws. Even if your dog is friendly, letting it roam freely may be against local regulations. Using electricity from public or private property without permission can sometimes be considered unauthorized use of utilities. Believe it or not, feeding birds is illegal in some parks and cities because it can damage the environment and create health problems. Ever connected to someone else's Wi-Fi without asking? In some places, using another person's internet without permission can be considered unauthorized access. Playing loud music late at night might seem harmless, but many cities have noise laws that can lead to warnings or fines. Burning leaves or household trash isn't always allowed. Many communities ban open burning because of fire risks and air pollution. Parking in the wrong place, even for just a few minutes, can quickly earn you a fine or even have your vehicle towed. Sharing passwords for streaming or digital services may violate the company's terms, and in some situations it can even have legal consequences. Walking onto private property without permission can count as trespassing, even if you didn't mean any harm. Flying a drone near airports or restricted areas can be illegal and may create serious safety risks. Lighting up in a smoke-free zone may seem like a small mistake, but many places enforce strict no-smoking laws. Some cities require proper recycling. Throwing everything into one bin can result in penalties where recycling laws are enforced. As you can see, many everyday habits can have legal consequences depending on where you live. The good news is that simply knowing the rules can help you avoid costly mistakes. Even small graffiti or writing on public property without permission can be illegal. Respecting public spaces helps keep communities clean. Picking flowers or plants in protected parks may seem harmless, but some areas protect local wildlife and vegetation by law. Crossing railroad tracks anywhere except designated crossings can be dangerous and illegal in many places. Using your phone while driving is prohibited in many countries because it greatly increases the risk of accidents. Throwing cigarette butts on the ground counts as littering in many places and can lead to fines. The easiest way to avoid accidental law breaking is to learn your local rules. A few minutes of reading can save you money and trouble. Remember, laws are different around the world. Something that's perfectly legal in one country could be illegal somewhere else. Simple habits like following signs, recycling properly, and respecting public spaces help you stay on the right side of the law. Now you know 12 everyday actions that could cause legal problems depending on where you live. Awareness is your best protection. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple facts explained with stickman animations. Small everyday choices can sometimes have bigger consequences than we expect. Stay curious, follow your local laws, and keep learning something new every day. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Stick Knowledge Series, and tap the bell so you never miss our next educational animation. Share this video with a friend. You might save them from an unexpected fine.